Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial. Now yesterday I spoke a little bit about groups and how groups can be used to control the polyphony and the visibility of cue buttons. Today I want to talk about salvo control and the role that groups have to play with salvo control. So if I open up the button properties for this audio cue button, you'll see on the control page that I have a salvo control group, and within this you have various functions such as kill, stop, fire and such like for a range of cue buttons, and that can either be globally as in kill all, it can apply to the particular cue sheet that the trigger button is on, or it can control a group of buttons as we were discussing yesterday. So for example, if I was to set this button to kill group, you can see the appropriate icon appears on the tag section of the cue button. And now, as you'd expect, if I was to play another track, then when this kill all button plays, then it will kill anything else in that group. Sorry, kill group, that is. But as in anything else that's playing in group 2 will carry on playing uninterrupted. So just to go back to the salvo control functionality, I'll talk a little bit about what's available to an audio cue button. And you can see you can kill the group, you can stop the group. Stop being different from kill in that if that button has a stop fade associated with it, the fade out will be applied. You can choose to fire everything within that range of buttons, and lockout is really for use mostly with if you have a quiz show and you want to and you've got buzzers and bells and you want to lock out the other buzzers and bells for a given period, and that can either be timed, and that is set globally, the timer is set globally, or active, which means that no button in that range will play while any other button is playing in that range. Tomorrow I'll talk a little bit more about trigger buttons and their use with salvo control, because they have additional functionality which audio cue buttons don't. Until then, I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial and you'll join me next time.